Dear natural bodybuilders, I hope this message finds you well and motivate your fitness journey. As natural bodybuilders, you embody dedication, discipline, and perseverance. Your commitment to achieve your goals through hard work and proper nutrition is commendable. Remember that everyone's journey is unique, and comparing progress can often lead to frustration. Stay focused on your own path, celebrate your achievements, and continue to challenge yourself, whether you're in a bulking phase or cutting for an upcoming competition. Prioritize your health and well-being. Listen to your body and ensure you maintain a balanced approach to training and nutrition. And if you ever need support, tips, or motivation, don't hesitate to reach out to the bodybuilding community. Together we can uplift one another and share knowledge that will help us all grow strong. Keep pushing forward. Best regards. Sincerely, Enzor Lee.